What's up, everybody? My name is Sereneth and this is Cry. Welcome back. So guys and girls, we're going to enter the sewer system. Not doing too well. I have pretty much like 3 bullets, that's it. Oh, what the fuck are you? Licking me? Ah! Hey, look at me! Ah! Don't lick me! Oh, there's 2 of them! No! No! Run away. Oh, there's 3 of them! Oh no. What? I'm so dead. Well. So, welcome back to Cry, guys. Fuck me in the anus. Right. I only have 3 bullets. It's not gonna be any good on these guys. He's there. Let's try and... pretty damn fast. Oh shit! He went down fairly easily. I'll wait for my stamina to come back. Whew. Yeah, these fuckers are... There's a little one there, I can see him. Come on, go! Oh, don't lick me! Hey, I don't taste very good. I'm telling you now, you're better off getting yourself some butterscotch or a cake or something. I don't consider myself good tasting. Apparently humans taste like chicken. I don't know if that's true, but I really taste like chicken. Don't like me. Ah! Okay. I think I'm going to use some help because I've got like no money. One asteroid as well. Fuck. Oh. Shit. Oh, it's 2 of them! Oh, this is unfair. People down quickly. Oh, he killed his friend! T-posing. Go down! Oh shit. Well, I went from... It's a good job I used that syringe, because I went from having full health to fucking no health. I'm gonna use my last few bullets, I think. Just in case there's more of them. Yep, there's one. Can't see. Whew. The hell? I had to sort of crouch jump it. That's kind of annoying. It's like that a little bit better. Never mind. Won't fault you too much for it. Because this game seems pretty good. Oh shit! There we go. My little penis. I am nearly dead again. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Hubble. Hubble. Hubble, motherfucker! Hubble! It's on my ass! I can hear him! Job they can't go through doors. I am nearly dead. I have no ammo. I have no syringes. Anything here? And we're outside again. Health pullers. Dying. Point of that area then. Was I supposed to climb the ladder? How do you climb a ladder like this? Or at least go down it anyway. Can I just run past these fuckers? I'm gonna try it. Hacha! Oh no! Ow. Ain't got time for you. Away. I'm out. I'm out, suckers. They don't seem to be following me. Okay. Sorry, I'm kind of pussy in this, but at the end of the day, like, it's not giving me ammo and it's not giving me health. Like, I've got to have health and ammo when I get to, you know, the next part. Wasn't true. Yeah, jukes! No! Jukes for days! Right. If it had given me some ammo and health along the way, I probably would have just done that legitly, but I'm not getting shit. The game is just like, fuck you. You want health? Fuck yourself. You want ammo? Go fuck yourself. Why am I getting stuck? You want to have a room with no enemies? Guess what? Fuck yourself. Right, balls it up here last time. Anything in there? Okay. Do I just press E? Yeah, just press E. I am so dumb. The fuck am I? And a magazine! Yay! It seems pretty light in here too. Right, I'll save it. Just in case I fucking get destroyed in the next room. Or between here and the next save point, which is highly possible with the way this game has been recently. You again. Fucking Jason Voorhees. Reload. Back off! Is he dead? Is he dead? I pistol whipped him to death. Get destroyed. Do I still have health? Yeah, I didn't use the health. Okay, now we're doing good. If I come down here without any ammo, no health, and I was hobbling, I would have killed that son of a bitch! Okay, he's down. Off the light. You know, it's a bat boy, he's moved down here, actually. Go in there just yet. Let's see what's in down here. You know what? Reason they're coming here apart from the TV, maybe? Nope, even the TV's not giving me any option to do anything with. Oh! There it is. Yeah! We have another magazine. Okay, so there was a reason to come in it. You gotta look on the ground. There's blocking the door. That's how I get in there. Okay, so I've got to ignite that. Health! Something. A personal note. The code is 279. The last number is covered in ink. I can't read it. Well, at least I got a good idea. You're going to go back. You're going to be going back and forth all day, so you'll need to memorize it. Remember the code to section D. Supervisor is a dick. Cigarettes break every 2 hours, most important. Cave is wet, cold, filled with puddles. Watch your step. But here's a few things you'll want to know. I'm sure your supervisor has already gone over the basics. Jeff, welcome to the team. So this guy's name was Jeff. Well, I imagine we could just, if that's petrol, right? Never mind. Apparently that doesn't work. So what, do I need a lighter? Which I don't have. Nope. I still don't know if the baton is actually better than the knife. With ineffective range. Let's give the nightstick a chance. A chance to shine like the diamond it is. It's probably going to be terrible. Okay. So we're going this way then. The door is locked. What? So... how do I ignite the gasoline? Oh, locked by a keypad. Okay, so it was just so we gotta guess the last bit. Basically, is the last number. So it's personal note. Is it? 279 something. Two 794. Is that now logged in my thingy? Nope, I literally have to remember it. 2794. I'm going to forget this. Just telling you. Because I'm a derp. I don't want to go in the hole. Just saying. Just to let you know, but you know what? I don't have a choice in the matter. Hi! This doesn't have an effective reach. Sorry, it fucking doesn't. It's the same reach as the goddamn knife. Hello! Hey! You are ugly. Okay? I don't want your cuddles. Why can't I hit you? Do I literally have to be kissing this fucker to kill him? Die. Left dead end. What's that? Shells? 9 shells? Shotgun ammo. Am I gonna get a shotgun? Oh hell yeah! Well, it's two of them. They can't get me, can they? Wow, 2 bullets. Wow, they are really weak. Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah! Inventory is full. Okay. What can I get rid of? I probably need health. Not too bad. Let's get rid of the knife. Just drop the knife. Okay. Does that count? Yeah, okay, it counts. I have 9 shotgun rounds. Okay, so I can't dual wield the shotgun and the bone. Yeah. So those I'm going to keep like that and equip the shotgun when I feel like it. The Remington 870 shotgun. Road now pump action shotgun deals a devastating amount of damage at close range. Yeah, no shit, it's a shotgun. I keep pressing escape for some reason. It's escape in a lot of my games I play, like, gets you off the screen and stuff, so that's probably why I'm pressing that button. I'm mistaken. Right, so that was it, right? Nothing else here. Got the lights on. Oops. Fire bucket. Oh, the old fire bucket's been sanded. Jesus, I haven't seen one of them in years. Now I don't have the torch, I can't see a fucking thing. Not too bad, this area's pretty light. Oh! Sweet Mary, Mother of Jesus! Get away! I can't juke. Now I'm dying. Shit. Oh, I have 2 syringes? Yeah. Oh, indeed. Okay, back to melee. Back to melee. Okay. So we want to go over here. In this door. Then we use ow! Oh, dumb asshole. Sewer key. Which is for the door over here, I'd imagine. Or is it? The door's locked. There's also this door. Oh, that's the one with the keypad, don't I? It's this door. Hit recorder. Yeah, it's alright, save point. Save it. Right. Go in here. Maybe not. Oh god, it's the war again. Oh!
Hey! What the fuck are you doing?
Not you again.
Wait! Oh shit! Isn't that the key he was talking about?
Oh, dude. Well, this is fun. So, yeah. Hi. Can we be friends? I'm guessing not. Yeah, can we just do something? Oh, he's on my butthole. He's fast. I can't do it. He's too fast. Let's get him over here and go for that one in the corner. Attack. Come on, motherfucker, come on! Yeah! How do you feel that? Shit! Why is he going there? Over here, pal. That's it. Come on. Good daddy. Good daddy. Yep. Hey, you weren't too bad. Why are the bosses really easy compared to some of the actual mobs in this game? To cut free the key. Oh, for fuck's sake! Do I have to get my knife now? This is the door I came in. Nope. This is a bathroom, isn't it? This is a bad place. Full of badness. And shit that wants to kill me. Oh, pick up a syringe. I don't know where that was. Just spamming E to see if we can open these. I think these are lockers. To find another way. What? Find another way? Do what? Okay, I'm pretty damn sure I need my knife. There's 3 doors. Okay, he went through this one. Lock the door. But does the key unlock that door? Probably not. Right, let's go get my knife. Oh, it's all the fucking way back there, though. Why does the game punish you like this? I mean, it gave me a new melee weapon, so obviously I'm going to take this over the knife, because apparently this is supposed to be better. So why have I now got to go all the fucking way back to get a goddamn knife? Wait. No. Because... I'm wrong. Because... yeah, you can't use the knife unless I stabbed him or something. Maybe I'm not supposed to. Don't go free slot, fuck it. I'm going to free slot. I'll go and get it anyway. I could be wrong, I'm probably wrong. I reckon I need like a hacksaw or something to cut through him. I think I know what one of those is actually. Come on, shimmy shimmy. Squeeze through. So I drop the knife here somewhere. There it is. Yeah, okay. So it is that you can't use the knife then. Put it here. Kind of silly because, you know, that's what you should probably use. So I was probably right in going this way the first time. Yep. I got the soul. Oh! What the hell? 2 of them! No! Oh, sweet mother of fuck. I hate those things. Lulled me into a false sense of security. I was like, oh, I've been through here. And you come back and there's two of those fuckers sat there ready to rake it. God damn it. Okay. Ugh. What? Wait, what's this key for? Huh? You locked the door. Rusty key found in its stomach. Well, where the hell does this go? I love the sound this makes when I hit something. Bonk. I'm gonna boot people with it. I don't remember there being a door this way, unless it's for a locker? Need to find another way. I don't know what that means. Okay. There's no other doors here, is there? Nope. Where was there a locked door that I missed? Oh, I think I know where it is. Up to the left. Yeah. There we go. Syringe! Save point! I think I'm actually doing pretty damn well with syringes now. Just check. I've got like 3 of them. I do. Pistol ammo? I've got to clip it a bit. Okay, let's try and save it. What the hell are you doing? What are you? The fuck? The fuck just happened? Oh, great, long hallways. No, no, thank you. I'm good. I'm good. I'm gonna go get some cupcakes and tea and some crumpets and shit. You do you. You do you. Fuck. Okay. Gonna be right in my face. Huh? I knew it! No. No, 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 no. No, thank you. No, thank you. Oh, for fuck's sake. Screw you, game. Screw you. Why is this game so evil? Just, you know, what do you think? I think you've gone a bit overboard with the decorating. Just saying. It's a little bit too much. Do you like this? No, I don't. Rusty bloody walls are not my preference. You don't know anything. I know quite a bit, thank you very much. I know that this game is douchey. If you just could understand, well, maybe we could talk about it. Sit down, grab a cup of coffee. I never wanted this. Well, neither did I, but here I am. The hell? This is kind of cool. I have to crouch. Crouch. Pretty weird. I just want you to die. Just die. I don't want that, you see. I like being alive. It's pretty cool. You know. This really is turning into Silent Hill. Go watch. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Ah! I'm done. That, sir, is fucking douchey. Look at him. Fucking tickling me balls and shit. And it's not allowed. Okay, right, let's get through this. Fuck you. Screw you, game. Screw you, game. Oh, for that stamina. I know your tricks now. Know your tricks. Wanted me to die and I died. Fuck you. I fall for it again. Okay, we have to sprint like a mofo. Oh! Oh! Whoa! How am I supposed to survive that? I had nearly full health. Let me guess. I'm supposed to like heal through that shit. Oh my god, that's bull. Oh, there's actually a car on the other side of it there. See that last time. So, I swear to God, if I have to fight somebody like when I'm doing that thing as well, then like this is bullshit. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna get through this, guys. We will do this. We will succeed. Believe in the power of me and my dopiness. Dopiness, my dopiness, everything. And we'll do this! Ah! Okay. Heal through it. Heal through it. Using my stamina back. There's the door. Whew.
Damn it! What was that? Hallucinations?
I don't know. They killed
Am
you,
I
so.
going insane? Shit.
Must have done something to you. Oh, heal. About the music. Game certainly loves its fucking hallways, doesn't it? Jesus Christ. Oh, we're outside again. Hey, health and a save point. Happy motherfucking days. Oh, wasn't that a little bit of an adventure? Thank you everybody so much for watching me and joining me on this douchey trip that we've been on. I will see you all in the next installment of Cry at Fear. See you then, guys and girls.